domain and range of sine function. Domain of sine function. Sine function is defined for all real numbers. The standard form of sine function is y equal to sine x, and domain is negative infinity to positive infinity. Even when transform, e.g. y equal to a sine bx plus c plus d, the domain remains all real numbers because sine can take any input. Range of sine function. The basic sine function output values between -1 and 1, and the range of a standard sine function, which is y equal to sine x, is -1, 1. For a general sine function, y equal to a sine bracket bx plus c close bracket plus d. The amplitude of this sine function is absolute A. The range becomes d minus absolute A, comma, and d plus absolute A. Now let us consider this example. Y equal to 2 sine x plus 3. Domain. Domain of sine function is always negative infinity, comma, infinity. Let us find range. Our sine function is y equal to 2 sine x plus 3, and our general sine function is y equal to a sine bracket bx plus c plus d. If we compare these two equations, we will see that our a is 2, our d is 3. So, and range is square bracket d minus absolute A, comma, d plus absolute A. So our range will now be 3 minus absolute 2, comma, and 3 plus absolute 2. Our range is 3 minus 2, comma, 3 plus 2. Our range is 3 minus 2 will give us 1, comma, and 3 plus 2 will give us 5. This is our range. We want to find the domain and the range of this function. Domain. Since it is sine function, the domain is all real numbers. So our domain is negative infinity, infinity. Range, our general sine function is y equal to a sine bx plus c plus d. If we compare this function and this function together, we can see that a equal to 2 and d equal to minus 6. Our range is d minus absolute a, d plus absolute a. Let us substitute the value of d and a. Range will be minus 6 minus absolute 2, minus 6 plus absolute 2 bracket, and r will be minus 6 minus 2, minus 6 plus 2. And if we simplify this, we are going to have minus 8, and minus 4, which happens to be our range. We want to find the domain and the range of this sine function. The sine function is defined for all real numbers. So our domain is negative infinity, infinity. Range, the general form of sine function is y equals to a sine bx plus c plus d. Now if we compare this with this, you can see that our a equal to minus 5/2, our d equal to 7/2. Range is square bracket d minus absolute a, d plus absolute a. Let us substitute the value of a and d into this. So our range 7/2 minus absolute minus 5/2, 7/2 plus absolute minus 5/2. So I'm going to have 7/2. The absolute value of minus 5/2 is 5/2. So we are going to have minus 5/2, we have 7/2 plus 5/2. If we do this simplification, our range is going to be 1, 6.